Alright, morning everyone. Friday morning, about 9 o'clock. Turned out to be a beautiful day. I got up at about 5 and got a half a pot of coffee in me, and I was ready to run out the door at, well, you can't make noise generally in somebody's yard until 8 o'clock, so I went out and started messing around outside around the truck, getting it loaded, and I took right off at 8. But got over here, knocked one tree down. I am going to help Jason clean it up, but not until his back's hurting. We were supposed to do this, and still hurting today. He went and got an adjustment, and he was helping somebody set up a mailbox, and then he said he might be ready to move some, and I'll bring the tractor over to help him, assist him in that. But I'm just going to knock the trees down, get the logs out of here. Oh. And over here, it was 3 trees, and it still might be if we don't get to our 1,000, but I asked him if he wanted to sell a couple of these nice trees out back here behind his place. So that one there, but it's not very tall, but real nice log, seems pretty sound. And then hey, it was supposed to be that one there and that bigger one right through there, you can see it. But now I'm just doing the 2 bigger ones on the edge, and I'm sure when he realizes that it's not going to be 1,000 board feet when we measure those up, that he'll probably have me take down some more. So, all right, I'll go notch this tree. Okay, so that's the one there with most of the brown on it. Most of the top's leaning out this way. It does have one back branch. The stalk kind of goes up backwards, but then curves out this way. So I'm thinking it should go this way, no problem. I did bring an old wedge with me to help me in case I need it.